Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this simple beanie hat that's a bottom-up hat. And the body of this hat is made only by repeating 2 rounds, okay? I made that for baby size. You can adjust that for larger size. And for this hat, you have to use 2 number of hooks. I use a 4.5 millimeters hook for the brim and 6 millimeters for the body because of this pattern. And the number of hook that you use for the body should be 3 or 4 numbers larger than the hook brim, okay? If ready, let's get started. I want to make this hat with this yarn, Alize Super Lana Midi yarn, and start the work from the brim with smaller hook, size 4.5 millimeters. First make a slip knot and then make 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You can add or subtract the number of chains. Now skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet into next chain and 1 single crochet into next chain and repeat that work. Make 1 single crochet into each chain until the end of the row. Now at the end I have 8 single crochet, 1 less than the foundation chains. Make a chain to start next row and turn the work. Make 1 single crochet into first stitch under both loops and then make 1 single crochet into back loop of next stitches. This is the front loop of the stitch and this is the back loop. Insert the hook under back loop and make 1 single crochet. Again insert the hook under back loop of next stitch and make 1 single crochet and repeat that work and make 1 back loop single crochet into each of next middle stitches. Now I'm at the end, and for last stitch make 1 single crochet under both loops, such as the first stitch. Insert the hook under both loops and make 1 single crochet. Make a chain and turn the work and repeat row 2. 1 single crochet into first stitch and 1 back loop single crochet into each of next 6 middle stitches. And now at the end make 1 single crochet under both loops. Make a chain and turn the work and repeat this row, row 2 or row 3. You have to repeat this row several times until you make a rectangle with this band, and the number of rows should be a multiple of 6 because of the pattern of the body. I repeat that work and then I'll come back. Okay, I made 48 rows of single crochets and now the length of this brim reached the desired size and I want to join both sides together. So fold the brim in half and make a chain and insert the hook under both loops of first stitch of last row and into remaining loop of first stitch of first row. Grab the yarn, pull through and pull it through this loop on the hook to create a slip stitch. One more time. Insert the hook under both loops of next stitch of last row and under remaining loop of next stitch of first row. Grab the yarn, pull it through and pull through this loop and repeat that work. We have to join all stitches of first row and last row together with slip stitch. So continue this work and make 1 slip stitch through each stitch of first row and front stitch of last row until the end. Now at the end turn the work and you can see this invisible join. Turn the work completely and remove the hook and start the body with larger hook number 6 millimeters. First make one chain and one single crochet into same space, and then make one single crochet into last stitch of next row here under these 2 loops. Go to next row of the brim and make one single crochet at top of that, and repeat that work. Go to next row, make one single crochet at top of that under these 2 loops, and repeat that work. We have to make one single crochet at top of each row of the brim, and at the end the number of single crochets should be equal to the number of rows of the brim. Continue until the end. Okay, after making 48 single crochet around the brim, make one slip stitch into first single crochet and then start round 2. First make 2 chain that counts as an incomplete double crochet. Then yarn over, go to first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2, and I made one incomplete double crochet into next stitch, and again yarn over, insert hook into the next, and yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through 2. Now I have 3 loops on the hook, and I have 3 incomplete double crochet, and I want to collect them together, so yarn over and pull through all loops. Then skip next stitch and go to the next and make 3 double crochet here, 1 and 2 and 3, and skip next stitch. Go to the next and make 1 incomplete double crochet here, then make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and now I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all of them, skip next stitch and go to the next and make 3 double crochet here, 1 and 2 and 3. We have to repeat this work from here until here. Skip next stitch and make 1 incomplete double crochet into each of next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook, then skip next stitch and make 3 double crochet into the next, 1 and 2 and 3, and skip the next. And this sequence should be repeated until the end of the round. Round 2 is finished, and after last group of 3 double crochet, skip the last stitch and make 1 slip stitch into first cluster stitch of the round 2. Make 3 chain as first double crochet, and then make 2 double crochet into same stitch at top of cluster stitch of previous round. Make 3 double crochet. Okay, then go to next group of 3 double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook around the first double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2. Make 1 incomplete front post double crochet around the first double crochet, then yarn over, insert hook around the second, and yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through 2, and repeat that work for third double crochet of this group, and make 1 incomplete front post around that. And now yarn over and pull through all loops to create a cluster stitch. Then go to next stitch, that's the cluster stitch of previous round, and make 3 double crochet at top of that, 1 and 2 and 3. Go to next group and make 1 incomplete front post double crochet around each stitch of that. Then collect them together to create next cluster stitch, and repeat that work. We have to make 3 double crochet at top of each cluster stitch of previous round, and then make 1 cluster stitch with front post double crochets around at top of next group of 3 double crochet, and repeat that work until the end of the round. Now at the end of round 3, after the last cluster stitch, insert hook into 3rd chain of beginning chains and make 1 slip stitch into that, and then make 2 chain to start round 4. Yarn over, insert the hook around this chain 3 and make 1 incomplete front post double crochet, and then repeat that for next 2 stitches. Make 1 incomplete front post double crochet around each of them, and yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Then go to next cluster and make 3 double crochet at top of that, 1 and 2 and 3, and repeat that work. Make 1 cluster stitch at top of next group of 3 double crochet with making 1 incomplete double crochet front post around each stitch of that group, and collect them together, and then make 3 double crochet at top of next cluster stitch, and repeat this sequence until the end of the row. At the end of round 4, make 1 slip stitch at top of first cluster stitch, and then we have to repeat these 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4. These 2 rounds should be repeated several times until the height of the hat from start of the ribbed band reach the desired size. I repeated those 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4, 2 more times. You should make more repeats for larger sizes, and now I want to decrease the top of the hat. First make 2 chain and then make 2 double crochet into same stitch, 1 and 2, and then make 1 cluster stitch over next 3 double crochets and make 1 incomplete front post double crochet around each of them and collect them together, and repeat this work. Make 2 double crochet at top of next cluster stitch, and then make 1 cluster over next 3 stitches and continue this work. Actually, we should decrease the number of stitches in each round, and in this round each group has 2 double crochet instead of 3 double crochets. We have 2 double crochet in each group of double crochets. Repeat until the end of the round, and at the end make 1 slip stitch into first double crochet. You also could make 3 chain as first double crochet and then make 1 double crochet into same stitch, but I made 2 chain, that doesn't count as a stitch, and then 2 double crochets. Okay, and now insert the hook at top of first double crochet, not these 2 chains, and make a slip stitch, and start next round. Make 2 chain and 1 cluster stitch with 2 front post double crochet, incomplete front post double crochet around these 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and yarn over, pull through. Then go to next cluster and make 2 double crochet here, 1 and 2, and repeat that. 1 cluster with 2 incomplete front post double crochet around each of next 2 double crochets, and then 2 double crochet at top of next cluster stitch of previous round, and repeat this work. Now for start next round, make 2 chain and 1 double crochet at top of first cluster stitch. Only 1 double crochet, and then make 1 cluster stitch over next 2 double crochets of previous round, and repeat that work. Make 1 double crochet at top of next cluster and 1 cluster stitch. And continue this work. At the end, I made 1 slip stitch into first double crochet, and now this hole at top of my hat has become very small. But if you want to make a larger hat, you have to continue these rounds. For next round, you should make 1 double crochet into each stitch, each double crochet and each cluster stitch until the end. And for next round, make a decrease stitch, decrease double crochet with each 2 double crochet, okay? And repeat this round 1 or 2 more times and decrease the number of double crochets. And when this hole at top of your hat has become small, you can cut the yarn and close the top of the hat. I want to close the top of the hat with same yarn, and if you want to know how I make that work, you can see this video. And now my beautiful beanie hat is ready. You can attach a pom-pom at top of that if you want, but I prefer to make that without pom-pom. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video and leave a comment. Have a nice day.